Wow, Yoon, the flower garden is in full bloom.
It sure is. We have the bees in our hives to thank for that.
Right. Bees help with pollination, which is needed for growth of many plants, like food crops and these beautiful flowers.
Plus, they make yummy honey.
That's right. Did you know that last year, the bees in our yellow beehive produced 1,156 milliliters of honey?
Bryn, look! That number has the digit 1 in the thousands place and the hundreds place.
That's true, but even though those digits are the same, they have different values.
You're right. Each digit of a number has a different value. Let's use a place value chart to understand the values of each digit in a number.
Great idea. Let's see. So, the ones place can be represented by a unit cube. Then, 10 unit cubes combine to make a tens rod, so the value of the tens place is 10 times greater than the value of the ones place.
Right. And if we combine 10 of the 10 rods together, we make a hundreds flat. So the value of the hundreds place is 10 times greater than the value of the tens place.
And 10 hundreds flats makes 1 thousands block, which means the value of the thousands place is 10 times greater than the value of the hundreds place.
Gotcha! So each place is 10 times the value of the place to its right.
That's correct. And this pattern extends to the millions place and beyond. So, if the yellow beehive produced 1,156 milliliters of honey, we know that this 1 in the thousands place represents 1,000.
Right. And this 1 in the hundreds place represents 100.
1,000 is 10 times the value of 100. Neera, please scan this frame from the hive. We need to know how many honeycomb cells it has. Thanks, Neera.
Wow, that's a lot of cells. No wonder we get so much honey. Let's put this number in a place value chart. We can use the place value chart to compare the value of these two threes.
The digit 3 in the 10,000s place means there are 3 groups of 10,000, so its value is 30,000.
And the digit 3 in the 1,000s place represents 3 groups of 1,000, so it has a value of 3,000.
30,000 is 10 times larger than 3,000. So this 3 is 10 times the value of the 3 to its right.
What is the value of the underlying digit in this number? Way to go!
Let's have Neera scan the hives to count the number of bees in them.
There are a lot of bees in those hives. Oh, look! Both of these numbers have 8 as a digit.
One of these 8s has a value of 800. Together, we can figure out which one it is. Okay, we can start by putting both numbers in a place value chart.
In this number, the digit 8 is in the 1,000s place, so it has a value of 8,000.
And in this one, the digit 8 is in the hundreds place, which has a value of 800.
I see. So the digit 8 in 42,896 has a value of 800. If we add the bees in our two hives together, we have 101,267 bees.
Wow, that's so many! Neera also counted all the other insects in the garden. There are 1,672,000 389 of them. Each of the ones in these numbers are in a different place. The value of the 1 in 1,672,389 is 10 times the value of which one in 101,267.
Oh, I love a good puzzle. Let me figure this out. We can put both numbers in our place value chart. In this number, the digit 1 is in the 1 millions place.
We know that a digit in one place represents 10 times what it represents in the place to its right.
To the right of 1 millions is the hundred thousands place. So our answer is the 1 in the hundred thousands place.
In which number is the value of the digit 8 equal to 8,000? Amazing work!
According to NERA scans, the hives produced 4,360 milliliters of honey last year. This year, we're hoping they produce 10 times more.
Cool! If that happens, what would the value of the digit 3 be in the product?
From the place value chart, I can see that the digit 3 has a value of 300.
10 times 4,360 would shift all the digits one place value to the left. So, the value of the digit 3 in the product would be 3,000.
Look, the 3 in the starting number is to the right of the 3 in the product. 300 times 10 is 3,000.
The value of the digit 5 in the number 158,342 is 10 times the value of the digit 5 in which number? That's not it. A digit in one place represents 10 times what it represents in the place to its right. The 5 is in the 10,000s place, which is worth 10 times more than a 5 in the thousands place. This number has a 5 in the thousands place.
Well, I am 10 times more thankful for all the bees' hard work. Our flowers are beautiful, and they've made all this honey.
Yes, but only harvest the extra honey they made. They eat some of the honey to feed themselves into the next season.
Use the number selector to enter your answer. Bryn divided the number 145,980 by 10. What is the value of the digit 8 in the product? Amazing job!